Hello and welcome back to another resin art video. Okay, let's get going. Alright, start out with your board, make sure it's leveled, and then in today's video I used about 20 ounces of Pro Marine Supply resin. This is a 16 by 20 board. I know 20 ounces doesn't make sense, but I mixed, throughout this, and I worked this resin for a long time. A little bit longer than I probably should have. Okay, so right now I'm just putting down my base coat, and that's just something to put down to kind of lubricate it to make sure that, your paints and stuff like that can slide around. I just put down some white golden paint, and then these are the rest of the golden paints, and I'm just trying to see how they're working. Today's objective, I was just kind of going searching for some blues, and I was checking the white to kind of see if it would make some cells. I've seen some other people using it here recently to see, if the golden white would make cells, and I didn't get very lucky with it. So this is the golden paints down right here, and I'm just kind of blending them away right now with the hair dryer. And this is actually looking pretty cool right here. I'll slow the video down so you can kind of take a good look at this. So this is just the golden paint. And now I'm going to my art tree creation products because I didn't really like the white, and I didn't really like how this thing was looking at the time. So I put down some white, and then I'm just kind of putting down some of the other art tree colors, and then just looking to kind of find the blue that I like. That's kind of what I'm doing right here. And then I'm just constantly adding heat to this and popping my bubbles, and then now I'm blending away with the heat gun and just trying to make some effects, kind of trying to save this painting a little bit. And I made some pretty cool effects. I mean, she's pretty cool looking right here. And I just used the rest of the white, and then I still was kind of going on a search for some blues. I got a project coming up that I'm gonna be using a lot of blues in, and I just wanted to see what was gonna work best. So that looks pretty cool right there, but I kind of wanted to keep on going, so I kept working it. And I put this little timer down here in the bottom so you guys can kind of see exactly how long of work time I have on this when I'm doing it and everything. Okay, it looked really cool right there, but I wanted to add some more stuff to it. So I put some more art tree white down, and then just some more art tree blues that I was working with. And don't worry, after this video's done with the artwork here, we'll go over all the products and everything. There'll be close-ups, and you can kind of see everything. And then I'm just blending away. And right here, you can kind of see how it doesn't flow, because this has been worked for so long. And you can kind of see the white going right there and then just stop and not really blend in. That's kind of the case of, working resin for too long. See how it just kind of goes over the top of it. Still looks decent, I'll have to give this thing a flood coat for sure. And it made those cells right there on the on the left hand middle right there, kind of right over the turquoise color. And then I just wanted to try one more blue from Art Tree, so I mixed it up real quick and a little bit more white to blend, and it's coming up here in just a second. And I've worked this 45 minutes right now, so you can kind of see how much time I've worked into it. And I got some pretty cool cell actions up there in the the left upper area, and then down there in the right bottom you can kind of see how it trees out. That's just characteristics of working this Pro Marine too long. So right there you can see I've worked it 55 minutes total. It was done. Scraped my edges, popped my bubbles, and just kind of came in and checked it out. Okay, so in today's video we used all these colors: golden, cerulean deep blue, cobalt turquoise, cobalt blue, teal, white. What is that one? Turquoise. And then I had to use some art tree stuff because I was not liking the results. Cobalt blue, Dory. What's this one? Winter Ocean, and Ultramarine. Oh yeah, and some Arctic White. Dropped. Okay, cool. We'll get going on the video. Okay, so this is just an outside light, and you can kind of see the layers right there, and then see the tree effect I kind of talked about with the resin, getting worked too long. Still looks really cool, and like I said, it definitely needs a flood coat. I'll flood coat this, and it'll come out looking pretty good. Kind of get rid of some of that stuff on the surface right there. Just sand her down and flood coat it and make it look good. I don't know. I might think about this one for a while. Got a friend in California. She's kind of talking me into tinting some stuff, so I need to learn some tinting and might tint that a different color. I don't know. I'll think about it. But yeah, here's a picture of it hanging on the wall, and here's some close-ups of it. And you can kind of see right there that cells, all the cells I was talking about. And then this is what I was talking about, working it too long. And then you can kind of see right there kind of the veins that it makes when you work it too long right there. And some more cells and just kind of more of the veins. And here's a close-up video of it, and we'll kind of go over some of the stuff. Sophie, are you guys like freaking scratching and going all crazy? Okay, I was just talking to my dog for a second, but yeah, it's got some cells in it, and it's really cool looking. Just thought I'd share this with you guys and go over it with you the best I can. I've got some other videos, where I go into more detail with the heat gun and show how to make the cells. I'll put them up in the links in the comments and everything like that. Not the comments, but I mean the cards at the end of the video. So what cards are there? Just links to the other videos. And here they are. Bam. Okay, cool. Well, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll have another video out next week. All right, talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.